off-road adventure in Land Rover 4x4s. Try an afternoon close to home, or something a bit longer and more remote. For a very few, the challenge can go as far as the Camel Trophy, the Olympics of 4x4 adventure. Each year, this grueling event tackles the toughest trails in the world. 2 weeks, 1,000 miles, testing man and machine to their limits. Over 1 million apply for the privilege to meet the elements head-on. The event organizers permit only one vehicle per nation, and those vehicles must be able to stand up to the most demanding kind of punishment. Every year, the transport of choice is Land Rover, and every Land Rover has lived up to the challenge. Range Rover, slogging it out in Sumatra, New Guinea, and Madagascar, where the American team of Tom Collins and Don Floyd tied for a first-place finish. Defender 110, the long wheelbase version tackling the rainy season in Brazil and the rugged mountains of Sulawesi. Defender 90 versus the impossible landscapes of Borneo and Australia. And Land Rover's newest 4x4, Discovery, showing how it's done in Siberia, Tanzania, and Guyana in 1992, where Americans Dan Ammon and Jim West won the coveted Team Spirit Award. The drivers in Camel Trophy are not professionals. Their skills have been honed from countless adventures, doing what they love, overcoming enormous obstacles, never giving up, and expecting the unexpected. Success in this event comes from a total understanding of man and his machine. In 1993, Camel Trophy traveled to the island of Borneo, the state of Sabah, Malaysia, for a trek into the lost world. Coming up, a look at the American team of Mike Hussey and Tim Hensley as they make their bid for victory for the United States. If off-road adventure sounds interesting, find out how you can hone your driving skills at the Land Rover Driving Academy, an exclusive school only for Land Rover owners. But first, another Land Rover has come to North America, Defender 90. Take a look at this latest version of the original workhorse, built for exploration and for fun.
When the terrain is this tough, the vehicle that can do the job is made by Land Rover. Hardly a road by some standards, but here a Land Rover is right at home. For over 40 years, Land Rover's four-wheel drive vehicles have been tackling the toughest roads on Earth. Defender 110, Range Rover, Discovery, and now Defender 90, the short wheelbase version of a rugged workhorse, specially designed for fun in the 90s. Defender 90 is the vehicle for today's active lifestyles. With the spirit of the British sports car of years ago, it has the airiness of an open roadster and the unmatched capabilities of Land Rover 4x4s. To make an adventure thoroughly enjoyable, Defender 90 is outfitted with weather-resistant cloth seats, premium AM/FM stereo cassette system, and full instrumentation, including tachometer. Begin with the standard equipment, including an integral front passenger safari cage and full tonneau cover, and customize your vehicle to fit your lifestyle with a line of accessories, including a full canvas convertible top with side door glass and rear safari cage section. A 3.9-liter V8 engine coupled with a 5-speed manual transmission with 2-speed manual locking center differential gives Defender 90 all the power needed for exploration. Power-assisted steering, 4-wheel power-assisted disc brakes, and specially designed mud-terrain tires are all standard. For venturing off the beaten path, Defender 90's short wheelbase lets you go more places without worrying about getting hung up. Fully equipped, it has the best approach and departure angles of any 4x4. When conditions demand, a differential lock divides power equally between the front and rear axles, and the 2-speed transfer case provides 10 forward and 2 reverse gears. This combination, along with Defender 90's strong box frame construction, high ground clearance, and long travel coil spring suspension, will take the Adventurers places others would hesitate to attempt. Rugged, practical, and built for fun, Defender 90 is the perfect vehicle for active lifestyles. Start with the basics and create one to suit your own adventures. Defender 90 is supremely capable, built by Land Rover, manufacturer of the best 4x4s in the world.